2024 Dodge Durango. With less than 43,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.